Yeah, I got something here today. This is actually a class that I want to do for people in education. If you're a teacher, if you are opportunity to teach a group of people, students precisely, and you just like to set questions for them using AI. What AI can do for you is to make your job faster. It's not as if it's going to really replace you. It's not as if it's going to replace the teacher, but you want something you normally do for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, sometimes overnight to set questions that are just accurate, relevant to what you've taught the students during the term. I think AI has come to be of help in a great deal, having been of good help to me in recent times that I've had to set questions. I mean, it makes the world so much easier. So this aspect is gonna be for just showing you a sample of what you can do and undo. Yeah, a sample of what you can do using AI to set questions. And not only that, you'll be able to set the questions, you'll be able to copy it. It could even prepare it for you in the format that you prefer. So shortening the process and time of delivery, especially when you have to meet up with deadlines. So AI can really be of help to you. You get the questions and you set it. So you can be precise about the area you want the questions to come from. Maybe some topics, give it the topics, let it know the topic you're talking about, and then it will be able to give you the questions. As you can see, this is algebra, and I'm telling this AI, can you set 20 questions for me in algebra that a grade 8 student of a high school can answer? Create a marking scheme, contain the solution to each question. 2. Let it be in downloadable format such as Word document so I can download it. You can make it to be in Excel document, you can make it to be in PowerPoint, you can make it to be in PDF. So any format that is convenient and for you that you can work with. Now let me go ahead. It could be social studies, it could be any subject at all. Be rest assured that it's not going to uh, disappoint you. All right, let me make a connection here. I can notice that there's sort of error here. All right, downloadable format. All right, so let's go ahead. Personalizing and it's sure to deliver. Great. Now you can see it said I have prepared 20 grade 8 algebra questions with solutions in a Word document. You can download it here. All right, so just going to go ahead. This is the link it has given me. I'm just going to go ahead and download it. So let's watch it download. There it is. All right, that's the download. I can just go to I can just double click if I don't have to. If I do want to go into the download folder. Just double click on it. The Word document will load now. So let me see. Just hold on. All right, it's coming up. I know it's taking some time, taking a bit slow. Well, here it is. All right, here we go. Now this is our question. Simplify. All right, expand. Solve for x. All right. So there we are. There you are. Can you see the marking scheme with solutions? These are the answers to the questions. Okay, so this could be easy for you to do. Now, the question is, which I believe some people will be asking now, is that what if we wanted to look standard. I want you to have a standard look where you have the questions and make it a multiple choice question. Okay, we have the question, then you have the answers as multiple choice, or which is popularly called objectives. So I can tell you to do that. Let's go back to it and let me see. Let me give you the instruction to do that. Okay, I'll just tell you that. Just tell you that I would like you to make it a multiple choice question with answers from with answers in options. Okay, let me repeat that. Okay, with answers in options A to D. Okay, A to D. One A to D, right? One of the options, one of the options would be the correct answer. Okay, so in the marking scheme, you will indicate the correct answer and the solution. So kindly rewrite the above questions in this specified preference and make it downloadable. Make it downloadable in Word format. All right, let's see. It's preparing it now. So we'll see the difference. We'll see what it looks like. Uh, has been different from what it gave us earlier. It's preparing. It's preparing. It's preparing. You just have to wait for it to do the magic. Get ready to work with it and download with it. It's as simple as that. Mm, Actually, it can be faster than this, right? Can you read? Can you see that? I've converted the questions into multiple choice format, option A to D, and included the marking scheme, correct answers, and solutions. You can download it here. Excellent. All right, you can just give it a good response. Just tell it you appreciate it. I always do that. All right, just watch this. I appreciate your effort. Thanks. You're welcome. I'm glad you like it. Would you also like to, all right, like me to design the document in a more exam style layer with spaces for answer, or keep it as it is for practice and marking? All right, let me just give it a thumbs up. I wouldn't need that for now. Now let's just go and see what it has given us. Okay, the file is downloaded. Let's look at it again. Double click. This is the former one. All right, here we go. Teachers, tutors, this is what we have. We have a perfect question right here. And if you're good, if you're proficient in the use of Microsoft Word, you could as well work on these to your taste. To your taste, okay? As it is, yes, we don't. We may not need the bullet points. Depends on what you want, really. Like I may not need the bullet points based on my own preference. All right, I could just indicate that these are what I need. Okay. Oh, hope you're still with me. All right. All right. There we go. All right. I'm having an issue with my keyboard, so that's why in case you've noticed so many things just going out of hand. All right. I was somebody changing it, but I just had to do this video. I'll have to fix the keyboard, but I just have to do this video today. I don't want it to stay longer. When you have targets, it's always good to meet the target, no matter what. Just do your best to meet your target. All right, so the keyboard will have to just wait and let me finish this video before I attend to it. All right, okay, that's the third one. So you can move it to places that's suitable for you. You can do your editing yourself or give it to someone to edit for you, and so you're good to go. Voila. Okay, you could just decide that you want to make this bold, make this bold to your taste. Okay, bold this, and that's all right. And this one too, because that you want to make everything bold in the expression, in the algebraic expressions, and then keep expanding your answers. So let's just look it down. We have all the questions written. Okay, now let's look at the marking scheme. 20 questions, marking scheme. Simplify this, correct answer B, solution. This is how to do it. Expand, correct answer, solution. All right. Um, Solve for x, correct answer. This is the solution. Factorize, correct answer. This is the solution. All right, so you have your document ready. Next, I'll be taking English. I'll be taking English so you could see um, that you can virtually use it for any subject, and I mean any subject to suit your taste.